In this video, I'll describe the difference between global and custom policies in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Then select Meetings, followed by Meeting Policies. Below the Meeting Policies summary is a list of global and custom policies. As the name suggests, the global org-wide default policy applies to all users in your organization by default. Each policy type has its own global policy. While you can't delete this policy, you can edit it, and it will apply to any users who don't have any other policies assigned to them, individually or by group policy assignment. There's only one global policy for each type of policy. So if you want different settings for different users or groups, create custom policies. To do that, select Add, and then type a descriptive name. For this demo, I'll call it Custom Meeting Policy. After customizing the settings, which are the same ones available in the global policy, select Save to complete your work. And back at the Meeting Policies list, you'll see an indication that it's a custom policy. Assign it to individual users or groups. In this case, I assigned the policy to the Sales and Marketing group, and since Megan Bowman is a member, it applies to her. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to manage policies, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.